morning, guys. So today we are going to Ikea to do what, Andrew?
We're going to get some cabinets to build a bench for our kitchen.
Woo! We're trying to be crafty, so we'll see how this turns out. So you think we should get bunk beds?
Wow, there's so much room for activities.
I want a bunk bed. Andrew, you need this, right? A boardroom style?
Oh yeah, so much work.
Because you do a lot of work, you know?
Thank you.
Now comes the hard part.
Trying to find our way around.
Yep. Trying to find where we have to go.
24? 24?
Yep. He's a little kid sometimes, I swear. You drag racing? So much stuff. You best to be on your best behavior. Oh!
Right here.
Alright. I should help him. Now with the magic of editing, let's go home. And we're back in our house. Editing magic. And now starts the DIYing of this. Making our bench out of cabinets. Do you think it'll work?
I think we'll work. Make it work.
Alright, let's try it. Go team. Broke it. Oh. Oh. Wow.
Yep.
Oopsies. So here's a tip on drilling IKEA furniture. Don't break your drill bit head. Because it's now stuck inside that little hole. Way to go.
Thank you.
Cabinets, finished product. So we put two 2x4s in each cubby hole, so it adds some support. So this is one, so that's half of a project done. So part 2 will be done next weekend. So stay tuned for that. So make sure you give this video a thumbs up, comment, subscribe if you're new. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.